Imagine stepping into a world where your nights are restful and your days are energized. Can't you fall asleep easily? Does counting sheep just not cut it anymore? Are you feeling exhausted even after a full night in bed? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with chronic insomnia. Insomnia disrupts our sleep-wake cycle, making it hard to fall asleep and stay resting. The daytime consequences are significant: fatigue, irritability, stress, poor concentration, mood swings, and a decreased quality of life due to a host of health issues, and even weakened immunity. But what if you could address the root causes of your sleep problems and develop healthy sleep habits? That's the core idea behind CBT-I. Traditional treatments often fall short, and sleeping pills can bring unwanted side effects and dependencies. But there's a solution that doesn't involve sleeping pills. Welcome to our channel, INNO TRENDS Fact or Fiction. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or CBT-I, and we'll also see how exciting health tech is making CBT-I more accessible and effective. So, what is CBT-I? It's a structured, evidence-based, drug-free approach developed by sleep specialists that tackles the negative thoughts and behaviors that keep you up at night by helping you identify and replace those thoughts and behaviors with habits that promote sound sleep. Although the treatment approach is personalized, the main components of CBT-I include cognitive therapy, which focuses on changing negative thoughts about sleep, behavioral strategies like setting a consistent sleep schedule and limiting time in bed, and sleep hygiene education to create an optimal sleep environment. CBT-I also includes strategies to prevent relapse and considers sociocultural factors that may influence sleep patterns. It's a personalized approach that can be tailored to fit individual needs. Continuous support and adaptation of techniques are key to maintaining long-term success. Studies show that CBT-I is highly effective, often outperforming sleeping pills in the long run. With the advent of technologies that are reshaping our world, digital CBT-I programs and mobile apps are making this therapy more accessible. The future of CBT-I includes integrating AI and virtual reality to enhance treatment delivery, offering new hope for those struggling with insomnia. Imagine having a CBT-I coach in your pocket. Innovative health tech apps and online programs are making CBT-I more accessible and affordable. These programs offer interactive tools, sleep education, and personalized guidance through the CBT-I process. But keep in mind that insomnia is a serious mental health condition that often requires professional evaluation and treatment. Those innovative health tech tools are intended to be used alongside face-to-face care with a healthcare professional. CBT-I offers a sustainable, long-term solution to improve sleep without the side effects of medication. Don't let insomnia control your life. Take charge of your sleep with CBT-I. Talk to your doctor or therapist today. If you enjoyed this video, please share, click the like button, and subscribe for more videos on the cutting edge of healthcare innovation.